Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS S3 objects after accidental deletion. Detailed guide. To restore AWS S3 objects after accidental deletion, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon S3 service. Locate the bucket where the deleted objects were stored. Check if versioning is enabled for your S3 bucket. If versioning is enabled, select the bucket. Click on the Properties tab. Under the Object Versioning section, confirm that versioning is active. Return to the Objects tab within the bucket interface. Search for the deleted object using the search bar. If the object was deleted, you should see a message indicating its removal, along with its version history. Click on Show Versions to view all available versions of the object. Identify the target version you want to restore. Select that version by clicking the checkbox next to it. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose the Restore from Glacier option if the object is in the Glacier storage class. Enter the number of days you want the restored object to be available. If the object is not in Glacier, click on the Actions drop-down again. Select Copy to create a new object in the bucket with the same data as the selected version. Specify the destination object key if you want to change its name or location. Click on Copy to complete the restoration process. If versioning is not enabled, recovery options are limited. In this case, consider checking your backup solutions or evaluating third-party recovery tools. Once the restoration is complete, navigate back to the bucket to verify the object's presence. Ensure that the restored object is functioning as expected. This process allows you to efficiently recover accidentally deleted S3 objects when versioning is enabled. Stay vigilant about enabling versioning to safeguard against future deletions. Implement regular data backup strategies to further protect your important files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.